Hey there, here is a cool product, 10 coffee filter and pods mockups. 2 of them are .psd files that I'm making available to you for free. Go take a look at the description to download it. Here is what the pack contains. All the files presented are in 1200 dpi. What's inside? If you download my pack, you will have 10 PSD of great quality and easy to use, as well as 10 PNGs on a transparent background to integrate with any of your visuals. Here a user guide. Each PSD has layers named, sorted and easy to use. Next I explain how to use these files. Don't forget that you can download 2 of these files for free in the description. Here's some steps to use this mockup. To integrate your visual on the product, you just have to double click on the image of the purple layer named, add your design here. A new workspace will open. Hide or delete the visual already there and drop your design there. Then save with Ctrl+S, which will automatically integrate your design to the visual. You can quickly change the color of your design by double-clicking on the blue layer box named Change Color, and using the Color Picker panel you can choose the color you want. If you want a more realistic rendering, you can modify the layer, Modify Texture, which is a brightness and contrast layer in the Properties panel. You can change the color of the filter easily by double-clicking on the blue layer box named Change Color. And using the Color Picker panel you can choose the color you want. You can also change the background color of the mockup by double-clicking on the layer, Background Color. Then you just have to use the Color Picker panel to choose the color you want. And that's all. If you want to get this visual for free, go and have a look at the description.